Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to add and use apps in your account. In the Apps tab, select Create App and choose the app you want to use. To make it easier to find the app you want, you can choose one of these tabs at the top. I'll show you how to set up a weather app as an example. As always, give the app a name and a description if needed. Now follow and set the specific settings for the app you've chosen. For weather, if you select Use Player's Location, the app will display the weather of the area that your player's in. Or if you untick this, you can search for a specific location of your choice. Go through the rest of the settings and customize the app, and remember to click Save. We offer some apps that will only work if you have an account with these services. For example, we have social media and data dashboard apps, and when you select one of these, during the setup, you'll have to log into your account to connect it to Yodeck. Once you've created an app, you can then add them to playlists, layouts, or add it straight to a schedule.